Hey, do you want to learn how to use v0.dev by Vercel to generate web app UI with AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So this is v0.dev, and this is by Vercel over here. You can go over to vercel.com and sign up for an account. And then when you go to the dashboard, you can ask v0 to build something. This is for the user interface. This is not exactly like hosting your horizons. So if you know about hosting your horizons, you can build web apps using it. But I think that with Vercel v0, you can build web app user interface instead of building the whole entire web app. So you can ask the AI to build the user interface. And when you click here, you need to type in the prompt. You get some of these suggestions here. So a notes app or a social media feed, an e-commerce search and filter, etc. So if I click on this one, a notes app is going to give us this prompt that it has made. And you can also insert your own image, audio, or Figma files inside it, which it can use while making the web app. So once you're done, click on build it, and it's going to build the app. So I already have done some recent AI generations, which you can see here on the right, on the left-hand side, in recent chats in v0.dev. So I asked it to create a weather app first. Can you create an UI for an app that shows the weather over the last 7 days? I should default to seeing today's weather with a carousel to see previous days. So this is what it has created. And you can see here, it has thought for 5 seconds. It is thinking as well. It's like Chat GPT reason feature. So it's like thinking and everything, and then it starts creating the app. It also shows you all this. So the web app UI includes these in it, and it's clickable. So if I see on the right hand side, I can click things inside it. I can move to the right or left as well. This is not working in real time, the weather that is showing up here. You need to use a weather service, and you need an API from there. You need to connect this app to it, and then it can work in real time. But you can see here when we change, things change around and such. So like I said before, that it is not comparable to hosting your horizons. If you have some coding knowledge, you can just use an API. Just need to insert the API inside the codes here. So this is the preview, and next to this, we have got the code. So we've got all the elements, all the files that are made, that are written with the help of AI, and that is used to make this app over here, the user interface of it. And you can make changes to it inside it, or you can ask the AI to make changes to it, like weather display, the sunny, the cloudy, return the class name, and etc. And if you scroll down, you can see all the code here. So if you know about coding and you're into it, you can just take the code from here, download it by clicking on these 3 dots, download the zip file, or you can just download this code as well, this specific code, copy it, etc. And you also got the structure here. So the app, components, and library file. Now, once you're done with this, you can also share it, share this block, configure who has access to this block. So you can make it public, unlisted, private, copy link. And also these 3 dots, you can add it to code base, download the zip file, publish it to community and such. You can also deploy it. So once you deploy it, you can then view it on the front end, and you can also add a domain to it. And if you want to learn how to add a domain to vo.dev by Vercel, I'm going to make a video on it, and it's going to be at the end of this video. There will be a playlist. It's going to be inside it, so you can watch it. Different domain services that I'm going to use to connect to Vercel, like Namecheap, connect to Vercel, etc. So when you click on deploy, it's going to start creating the project, and there you go. It's ready, and you've got the domain here. This is vercel.app. This is a subdomain, and you can use this. You can visit the website. You can play around with it, delete the deployment, etc. And I made another one. So this is a Netflix clone. I thought that I should try it out to create a web application for Netflix and make a clone of it. And on the right hand side, we got the Netflix clone, and you cannot go inside any of these, but I can click on the search. This doesn't work. And I can also click on this user icon on the top right, and I can go inside my profile as well, edit the profile and such. Manage subscription, it doesn't take you anywhere. You just need to go back. Then I can scroll down and look at all this, move to the right or left, and everything like that. I can also play it. So it just plays a simple video here. can pause it, but nothing works. It's just a simple placeholder that's playing the video. Now, if you want to make some changes to it, or you want to add your own image or Figma files, you can click on this on the bottom. In this prompt window, you can click on this clip type icon, paper clip type icon, and you can upload from computer, or you can add from Figma, which is on premium. So you need to upgrade to a premium plan. You just ask a follow-up and make changes to this user interface. Now I'm going to click on this new chat over here and ask it to make something else. So what should we make? Maybe we did Netflix clone. So what if I now ask it to make a Spotify clone? Something like this. Create a modern Spotify clone. You got this, which is enhanced prompt. If I click on it, it's going to change that simple prompt that I added and make it better. So everything inside it, like using next.js, and implement the music playback controls, the authentication, etc. So let's try it out. And it starts writing the code in real time that you can see on the right hand side. After writing the code, it has said runtime error. So I'm going to fix it with VO. If you fix the errors, it will still be fixed. You can do it for free. It doesn't matter if you're out of free messages, it will still be fixed like it did here. And that reminded me of hosting horizons. And I do feel that hosting horizons and v0.dev by Vercel, they have a lot in common. I haven't tested it out for connecting it to Supabase, but if you guys want it, let me know in the comments and I will try it out as well. So here on the right hand side, we got the app. It looks really good and much better than the one I created in hosting horizons. And I think I can go inside it. No, I can't do that. Let's go back. You can also switch between the versions. So if you like the first version, you can switch between it from here on the top right. We got the login and register user interface. And I can go to home page, the search page, your library. Most of the things are working, but yeah, it's just user interface. It's not supposed to make an app that is working in real time. It's just for your visuals of an app. And then you can download the source code and use it to make something out of it. It's just for the user interface that it has generated. And you can go inside the code, download the whole thing by using this 3 dots and then download zip to your computer. You can also download each file by clicking on this download button. And yes, that's it for this. And on the left hand side, we got the new chat. So you can create a new chat from here. These are your recent chats here, your projects. And if you want to change the theme and language of a v0.dev, you can click here on the bottom left, and then you can change the theme from here, make it dark mode or light mode. There's also language, but this only supports these 2 languages. This is probably Japanese and English. And that's it. You can also upgrade the plan. So these are the pricing plans of v0.dev by Vercel. You can take a look at it. They have a 14-day free trial if you want to test it out. All right, so that's it. That's how you can generate an user interface with AI using v0.dev. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And also check out my other videos on Vercel, like connecting a domain, etc. It will be on the right hand side. There will be a playlist, and see you there.